All these teams, the two who didn't make it, too bad, Kerala and Kolkata, we wish them better next season. But Karnataka, very good team. They may be favored, but Chennai, maybe they are destiny's children.
All right, so let's head down to the field now where the action is about to take place. The Karnataka Bulldozers taking on the Chennai Rhinos in the Celebrity Cricket League Season 2 Grand Finals.
Welcome all to the final of the Celebrity Cricket League 2012.
Arsenal decided to bat first. Big appeal, it came in sharply. The impact maybe just outside off stump. That's what umpire is referring to.
Saba, that was close. Came in sharply. Slightly outside off stump, but that was close. That was gone for all money. Why didn't they go upstairs? Well, they have reviewed now. Sudeep, the captain, has reviewed the decision. He would be in a great position because he was right behind the stumps. The original decision is not out. So the first thing first, no ball is not an issue. He's way behind the popping crease. We need to move ahead. Impact in line. Well, what is your call, Saba? Mine is out.
Hit him on the shin, and when it hit the front pad, the off stump was visible, which gives the impression that the impact was within the stumps. So I'll go with your decision here, Amol. Came in very sharply, tailed in so late.
Well, Jiiva has to go without troubling the scorers. It's none for one.
The fielders were standing out, they were protesting, but I think finally good sense has prevailed. And Jiiva has
this is a brilliant start for Karnataka Bulldozers in the finals.
And we see a new man coming in.
Of the first ball in the big finals, Karnataka Bulldozers. Come on, Hyderabad!
So finally, important game in front of a packed house here. What a start, Saba. It's been a really action-packed evening so far.
So Karthik has struck for the Rhinos. The first delivery ball, he got rid of Jiiva. Bowled quite well in that semi-final encounter also. Again, the same swing delivery. This time umpire is not impressed. He indicates the height. He was caught on the move, Sri Balaji here.
Last time he said outside off stump, he was wrong. This time it was the height issue, and he's absolutely right over there. He's really making the ball to talk. Come back in sharply. He's got a good strong action. Bowls it on the seat. But he's really bowling it well. No wonder they were here 2 hours early on the ground. They have clearly warmed themselves up. They are bang on target right from the word go. Karnataka Bulldozers, they looked a strong team right throughout this tournament, and they're proving it to be in the finals as well. Well, Gundappa Vishwanath, the mentor of Karnataka Bulldozers, and it's his birthday today, Saba.
So best wishes from all of us in the commentators box and from the production team. Wonderful man. He's been a great human being and a great ambassador for cricket for a number of years now. While he played Test cricket, he all of us were a big fan of his batting skills, and since it's his retirement, it's his demeanor and his personality that has impressed all of us. So many happy returns of the day, sir. May you have a great year ahead. Down the leg side, hard appeal again by Karthik.
That's been an excellent first over for Karnataka Bulldozers.